welcome to the rainbow experiment. So, for this experiment, you'll see what happens at the end. For this experiment, we'll need milk, food coloring. What colors do we have?
We have red, yellow, and blue.
Perfect. Little sticks. Q-tips are best, but we didn't have Q-tips, so we're going to use little sticks. Dish soap and a small bowl to pour the the dish soap in. Just there we go. We don't need much. Okay.
And we need
plates. Okay. Ask me. Can you pour some milk?
Can you pour some milk?
Yes. Just just enough.
Not too much.
Exactly. Good. Okay, I'll do the same here. Whoa, not too much. And let's put some food coloring in the milk. Just a few drops. What color do you want?
I want some blue.
Please.
Please?
Ah, yes. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Be careful when opening it. I'll try some red. Let's put one drop, just one drop in the top. Okay, I have one drop of red. Okay. What color do you want?
I want some red.
Red, here you go.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I'll take blue too. Oop, I'll put blue here. Okay, blue. And do you want yellow?
Yes, I do.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'll wait for the yellow too. Now let's see what happens when we mix with some dish soap. So, can I have a stick, please?
Can I have a stick, please?
Yes, you can. Take a stick too. Let's dip the stick in the dish soap. Stick battle. Now, let's see what happens when I'll try it first. When we put the stick in the milk. Oh, whoa! Let's try it again. Hey, looks really cool. Do you want to try?
Yes, can I try?
Yes. Whoa, cool. So now, don't hesitate to dip it again and continue. Let's have fun with that. Let's mix the colors. Whoa. Look at this. I want to add some blue. Yes. Here we go, blue. 1, 2 drops. And let's see, let's dip it in the blue. I feel like Gandalf. You shall not pass. No, I'm kidding. Look at this, it's so cool. Everyone, you have to do this with your class. It's so cool. Look, because you can drag it. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Look at the colors mixing. It's amazing. Whoa. Look at this. So cool.